Yeah, hi Mike, it's Mark at FMAV. Okay, this is your laser number 2. So what I've done with this one, I've checked the board for you. Boards are all good, so you know, in all honesty, you're really lucky there. But what I've done is I've removed, let me just find an old part I've got here. So I've basically removed this part here, and the whole ribbon cable. And I've put your whole new one in. Basically it's pretty much, I'm not going to say it's brand new because they are used parts, but you know, it's had minor use. Okay, so you know, it's not, you know, really 20 years old or anything like that. It's like mint, you know. So for them parts, you know, they should last you at least, you know, 15 years, 10-15 years, depending on how you use it. But yeah, I'll put a new laser in there for you as well. Okay. So yeah, it's all working for you. So yeah, it's all good. So you know, you should have many years of fun with this. So let me just turn this volume up for you. Hopefully my headphones are working. Oh, there you go. You can hear the headphones working there. So that's your part. That's number 2. And that one is the CDM12. I think that's CDM12 there. My eyesight's not too clever. Yeah. What's that say? Yeah, CDM12 IND, that one. So yeah, that's all good for you, Mike. So hopefully you'll have plenty of fun with that. Again, that's missing screws as well, so I've put new screws in there for you. Well, not new screws, but used screws in there for you. So you've got all your bits there, okay? So I trust you're happy with that. And again, as soon as I get some money, yeah, as soon as I get some money, I'll get them shipped out to you via special delivery. Okay, so they'll all go special for you, to make sure you get them and they're insured and everything else like that. So yeah, and I'll send the old parts back as well. You've got 2 lasers to come back, and you've got all the gubbins that I've taken out. You know, whether you can do anything with them, I don't know. Well, the lasers are stuff, but maybe one of the motors and them ribbon cable might be good to use or something to keep as a spare. So thanks very much, Mike, and speak to you soon. Cheers, buddy.